Hello, all my yarny friends. Welcome to week 2 of Battle of the Stitches Reveal Week. This is the second Wednesday of August, and this is when we reveal the projects and give you, or not the reveal, sorry, week 2 sneak peek. I said reveal. It's the week 2 sneak peek, and we give you a little sneak peek at what we're making to see if you can guess. Make sure after you watch my video, make sure you also watch Heather's video from Strings and Threads and Sarah's video at One Hook, Two Hands, and see if you can guess what they're making this month. The stitch that we're doing is called the chain link shells. So there's the pattern. It's really pretty and super easy to follow. It's just a row of chain 5 and single crochet, a row of shells with a double crochet and chain 2 in between, and then 2 more rows of chain 5 and single crochet. And that's your repeat. So it's a super easy stitch. Last week, you can go to my playlist for Battle of the Stitches. Last week, I showed you the tutorial. Sarah and Heather put their tutorial up on how to do that stitch. And sorry, something just popped up on my screen. So if you missed that, I go to my Battle of the Stitches playlist and see last Wednesday's video for the tutorial for the stitch. It's super easy. And then today's the sneak peek. Next Wednesday, week 3, will be the reveal where I show you my finished project. And then we will have the voting opened. Let me see. Where is my calendar? I want to make sure. Well, I do not know where I put my calendar. I'll have to check that later. I thought I had my calendar right. I do. It's right here under one of my projects that I'm working on. My goodness. So, let's see. Wednesdays. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, there are just 4 Wednesdays this month. So next week will be the reveal. We'll show you our completed projects, and then Heather will have the voting poll up on her channel, on her community tab. Vote for your favorite. Leave a comment. And then the last Wednesday of the month, we will go live right here on Critters Crochet, and I'll be with Heather and Sarah will be joining me live. We will reveal whose project got the most votes and pick one of you to win one of our projects. So that's how that works. Now, next month in September, we still need 2 content creators to join us. So if you would like to join us for September, guys, it's a really fun stitch. It's the trellis fan. This is the stitch we're doing in September, the trellis fan. Another beautiful, gorgeous, lacy stitch. So we would love for 2 of you to join us and battle it out for Battle of the Stitches next month. So here's my sneak peek. I may have given it away. I don't know. But here's what I have so far. I am using a 6mm hook, and I had this, I don't even know if you can get this anymore. I think maybe you can. It's the Sweet Roll from Premier. It is a 245 yard, 224 meter, 5-ounce cake, and this is in the color Raspberry Swirl is the color. It's got some light purple, 2 different, a light pink and a hot pink, and all mixed in. So that's what I'm using to make my project. So leave me a comment in the below. Let me know what you think I am making. And I hope that you will give the stitch a try. Go back and look at the tutorial from last week if you haven't. Give this stitch a try and make something. It doesn't have to be anything huge. It can be something small. You know, there's all kinds of things that you could do with this stitch. And so if you do make something, which I hope you will, send a picture. Put a picture up in our community tab on the community tab of Critters Crochet. and let's all see what you made. Also, we have a Facebook page called Battle of the Stitches, and you can post pictures of what you make there. We would love to see what you create with this stitch. So I'm going to go get off here now, and join me tomorrow for Devotional Thursday, and I will see you then. Have a great Wednesday. Love you guys lots, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye, guys.